Hi, welcome back to TrustBasket. This is the 7th day of composting. So let's check how microbial growth is happening in this TrustBin. So you can use this small lid to check the microbial growth or fermentation process inside. Whatever process it is taking place in this composting bin is anaerobic, means the microbes which are present inside this bin and what they are acting on the vegetable waste, they need no air actually, means they don't want air to breathe and do the composting. That's why instead of opening this lid, you can check this one. That's why this is given. It's a good cottony growth inside. You can see here, this is the good amount of microbial growth. Let me open this entire lid so you can see it clearly. Here you can observe cottony growth. They are the healthy microorganisms. They are in white color, so it indicates they are healthy and they help the bio waste to decompose. So if you observe black or brown color cottony growth, you have to discard that one. When you open that lid, try to close it airtightly. We will update you after 2 days. Bye until then.